Ooh, it's a lot better actually.
Taking off the chain guard. Oh, son of a bitch. Brief intermission.
Big boy's coming out now.
Picture of the video of the other bikes. Got a gay Honda Shadow on the left. And a pretty cool RPS Hawk 250 on the right. Look at those thunder thighs.
Hey, eyes up here, boys. Oh, please tell me. There we go. I better have an adapter.
No, that one don't work. I tried that already.
Like this set doesn't work?
It's too small. That size is too small.
You too small.
Oh wait, I didn't see that one. Never mind.
There we go.
Let's see. With the Asian persuasion, wrist strength, anything is possible.
The Asian touch.
So tell me, T-Money, tell them what you're doing.
Taking off this guard for a bike that I don't know anything about. The chain. What am I doing? What are you doing?
Oiling the chain.
There you go.
Easier access. Boom. So you want to visually inspect your sprocket. Make sure the teeth on the sprocket are not all pointy or jagged in any way. Make sure they have like nice little lumps on them. You want to zoom in on this? So first things first.
What are you using?
Using the great products from Maximum Racing Oils. Picked this up at Amazon. Sell it for 25 bucks.
Sweet.
You just spray the chain cleaner on it first. Sweep it up.
Check our sick bike jack.
Yep. So you just wanna messing with one thing. Nah, edit that out or just blur me out. Very important tool right here. Comes in very handy. Has brushes on 3 sides, so you can just clean it off as you go. Insert here. You can clean like this. It'll clean all 3 sides. And then you can just come down here. Whatever you miss, if you insert it this way, you'll miss the bottom. You'll get it on this side by just spraying it, by cleaning it like that. Very handy. So just chain cleaner. Spray that on liberally, however you want. Take the brush and just brush off all that excess dirt. Get it nice and clean. Do the top. like to do it over here so you can get the sprocket side as well. Look at all that nastiness. It's accumulating there. I'm gonna press up on the back side now. Get the back side of the sprocket.
Yeah, you definitely want to have your bike up for this job.
Definitely make it easier. And you just take your rag. Get all that nasty accumulation of dirt, all the other crap. Who cares?
I mean, we're not ninja.
Sure, it looks a lot cleaner. This is like a half-ass job too. Since today's Thursday, we're gonna go riding in the dirt on Sunday. So, not really too worried. I just want to get a little bit cleaner. Looking all pretty for the woods. Dang, look how clean that shit looks now.
Show me a thing about the sprocket.
See where like the teeth of the sprocket are on top?
Yep.
Yeah, that's where the O-ring just the chain just sits on. So if it's really old and really pointy, it won't really grab onto it, and you lose power to the rear wheel. Pictures will be posted on the video. Just gave you an extra job. I like that. I like them apples. Now you gotta find pictures and edit them.
Of worn out freaking sprockets?
Yeah. For visuals purposes. Oh yeah. When you're doing this, is a good time to check your chain tension. Make sure it's good. You just want to have about an inch of play. As you can see, mine's is color intolerance. I could probably use a little bit of, probably stretch it out just a little bit, but that's good. It's about an inch right there. It's not slacking more than an inch or two. You don't want to be all discombobulated and retarded. Just a little, oh, that's nice and clean right there. And with this stuff, this is your chain lube. Just spray it. Not liberally like you did that. You just want to be a little more conservative. You don't want to accumulate too much grease on it. Just enough.
Huh. When you were shaking, my phone was tracking the bottle and was shaking the camera.
This I just like, I do it on the inside of the chain. So I'm gonna do it like right there. Try to stay away from your tire while you're doing this, so your tire doesn't get all sticky.
And definitely not on your brakes.
Definitely not on your brakes. You don't want your brakes sticky either. As you're spraying, just pay attention to where, when you first started spraying, you'll see, you see where you started from, and you can already tell this has already been hit by it, so that should be good. rotate it. Make sure. Probably go the opposite direction. Probably just put a little bit more. Spin the tires, just get in there. I made the first mistake of like over lubing the crap out of it. It was just a hot mess.
Oh, and the last time you did it?
Yeah. I want to get the other side, so that'd be more difficult, but and when I did it, like the tire was all fuck. It was disgusting. Cause I did it while it was on the floor. I was just it was bad.
Keep it wrapped.